Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Garmin R10. First, ensure your device is fully charged before its initial use. Next, download the Garmin Golf app to your smartphone or tablet. Position the R10 6 to 8 feet directly behind your golf ball. Finally, align the device precisely with your target line for accurate shot tracking. Once charged, open the Garmin Golf app and select to add your R10 device. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone to establish a strong connection. The app will then guide you through calibrating the unit, which is absolutely crucial for precise data collection. Always confirm the device is perfectly level on the ground for the best and most consistent performance during your practice. For optimal results, place the R10 7 feet behind the tee or hitting mat. Ensure there is at least 8 feet of space between the ball and your net or impact screen. Always use a level surface to guarantee consistent and reliable data. Try to avoid direct sunlight shining on the device, as this can affect its performance. Before each shot, remember to select your club within the Garmin Golf app. After your session, review the detailed shot data to gain valuable insights into your game. Keep your device's firmware updated regularly for new features and improvements. You can find deals on Garmin and related products using the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.